Okay, so this question says, we're given that the log base 2 of a is a half, and that the log base 2 of b is equal to 1, and the cosine of theta is equal to negative a over b, where theta is in between 0 and 2 pi. So then the question is, what is the largest exact value for theta? Okay, well, there's some layers to this problem here. First thing we're going to do is just notice that we've got the log base 2 of a equals a half. There's only one variable in there, so this seems like what we're trying to do is give you some information without giving it to you directly. So let's just convert the form there. So we're going to see that a would be equal to 2 to the 1/2, or the square root of 2. We've got the same thing going on with the log base 2 of b equal 1. What we're really just trying to tell you is that b is going to equal 2 to the 1, or just 2. So now putting those two bits of information together into the trig expression here, we're going to get negative root 2 over 2. Okay. So now I know, first of all, that cosine is negative, and that's going to happen in either quadrants 2 or 3. I'm looking for the largest one, so I'm looking for this angle right here. I also know that my reference angle, if I've got cosine of an angle becoming root 2 over 2, I don't care whether it's positive or negative, I know that the value, the size of that reference angle is going to be pi over 4. So I'm looking for a reference angle of pi over 4 in quadrant 3. And the easiest way I can think to do that is just think about this. If I cut the top half of the circle into quarters and the bottom half into quarters, it takes 5 of those quarters to get into quadrant 3. And so the answer here is going to be C. Theta is going to equal 5 pi over 4s.